I'm back. Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make some baked goods. Now that might sound a bit strange, but there's a lot of people out there that make polymer clay food. And I used to do this when I was a kid and I absolutely loved it. It's how I started with polymer clay. It's what fascinated me to start off with, is how real you can make food look. And I thought I would show you how to make some cupcakes. So without further ado, here we go. So I just like to say it's actually 4:30, so it's like really early still, and it's pitch black outside. Literally, it went dark at 3 o'clock this afternoon, and I just, where did the day go? Well, I don't know, but I got up a bit late this morning, so this video you're seeing right now was filmed earlier today, and like I said, you can see the time, it was filmed today, because I just can't seem to get myself organised just lately. But anyway, this is the show and tell part, so I'm just going to go through what it looks like now and have a little chat about it. Now I look down because they're right here, so I'm going to show you the two little ones first. So here we go. So this is the first one, or was that the first one? No, this is the first one, so I made this one first. And it's really simple. So I wanted to do something that was just nice and simple to make, and it was just cute. You know, you can just put it on your fridge and have some notes behind it or something. Now I've put a ridiculously strong magnet behind it, and the reason why I do that is because I like to shove lots of all sorts of things behind a magnet, and I don't want it to fall off. Particularly don't want it to fall off because I made it and I spent so long making it as well. So put a strong magnet on these things. Now I have put it down at the bottom, but I would suggest you put it in the middle because then it won't sort of move as you put it on, or if you take it off and then push it down too far, it might just flick a little bit and then it might fall off. So just be wary of that. I don't know why I've stuck it on the bottom of this one. I should have put it in the middle. But yeah, that's my advice for that anyway. So on to the second one. So this one I did a little bit differently, and I wanted more icing on this one. I wanted to have a bit more of a kind of a cupcakey look. So I did all of the kind of sponge sort of look in, like, I picked it all out basically, and it gives it such a cool look. So I'm just going to come out of shot so you can see it in full glory. And that is what it looks like. Now I absolutely love doing that because it just brings a bit of realism to it. And on this one, I kind of did it afterwards because I thought, oh, that looks really cool. So I went back to this one and then picked it all out of here as well. But I'm not too sure about this one. I mean, the colours look quite good. But again, I'll come out of shot so you can see it. I'm not too sure of that one. I mean, it does look quite cool still. But I much prefer the colouring of this one. I don't know, I like them both, but yeah, it's different, but it's art, and you know, you've got to like them how they are. So they're similar, but I wanted to try out something a bit different with each one. Now, then we went on to the biggest one. And the reason why I wanted to do this is because this is originally what I wanted to do, something huge, because I don't like small fridge magnets. I just don't. So anyway, this one turned out not too sure in the end. I mean, it looks quite cool, but does it look a bit weird? I mean, could it be better? I don't know. What on the earth? So this is supposed to be some sort of either buttercream or ice cream or something like that. And this sponge I did in the same way. So I put it down flat first and then picked it all out. Now the reason why I do that, so if you chop it all up first, the clay's got no background to go on. So that's why I put it all in as a solid piece and then pick pieces out that way, so it just has something to stick to. Now I wasn't sure about this cupcake part here, so that's why I added this, and now looking at it I'm really not sure, to be honest with you. And actually my favourite is this one, oddly enough, because I thought when I was making it, I thought, oh, I really like this is a great idea. So in the comments I'd like you to tell me which one is your favourite. So I'm going to go with this one is number 1, and this one is number 2, and then we'll go with this one being number 3. So I don't know which one is my favourite. I'm going to hold 2 up because I cannot hold 3 up at the same time. But this is how you create cupcakes with polymer clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. It went dark at 3 o'clock. What was I saying? I can't remember. What was I saying? It was a terrible accent. So this is obviously supposed to be some sort of like cream or something. I don't know. What is it supposed to be? Buttercream? Ice cream? I don't know. This is the second one that I made. Now obviously with this, Okay, so it broke. Should I glue it together and then start again? Why do these things always happen? I don't even know. I can't even blooming see it. I need my glasses. Oh no. Where did the cherry go? We lost it. Yeah, we've just lost the cherry, nothing else. Right, I suppose I better go and find the cherry. I'll be right back. Oh, and now I'm all fluffy. Let's sort my hair out. I can't believe I dropped it. I'm an idiot. No one would ever know. As I always say in my bloopers. I have no idea what I was saying. Oh well, editing Gail will have to sort that out, won't she?